Hello friends, welcome back to Cad Practice. Today we are going to construct a practice 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take here 2D sketch and we'll select the XY plane. Take the rectangle command, take 2 point center rectangle. From the center point, make the rectangle profile. Now here go to dimension, define this width. Here the distance of this width will be 53 mm and the height will be 9 mm. Now take the rectangle command once again. This time we are going to take 2 point rectangle and make a rectangle. Here go to dimension, define the height as 20, okay, and the outermost distance from the center point will be 43.5 and the distance of this from here will be 18 mm and escape. Now I want a similar profile this side as well. Go to line command and from this center point make a center line. Escape, select this line, okay, drag this down and drag this also down. Now select this line, make it construction, go to mirror and mirror this profile. This also, go to mirror line, select this center line, apply and done. Okay. Now finish sketch and here take extrude, select all the 3 profiles, take here symmetric and the distance of this extrude will be 50 mm and press OK. Okay. Now go to origin, we'll select the XY plane again, go to create sketch, here take the arc command, take center point arc, here take center, select this and select here, from same center, select here and select here. So I've constructed 2 arcs. Go to line command, join this line and here join this line. Go to dimension, define this 18 mm, define this 26 mm. Finish sketch, take extrude and here take symmetric and take distance 36 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate, take rectangle command, take 2 point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension, define this as 9 mm, define this as 16, go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select the center. Similarly, we will construct here also. Go to line command, from this green point center, make a center line. Escape, select this line, make it construction, go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line, select the center line and apply. Done. Select this, make it construction. Finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here click on direction 2, so this will cut profile. Take here depth of cut as 9 mm and press OK. Okay. Now rotate this complete profile, select this bottom face, go to create sketch, take circle command, from this center point, make here a circle of diameter 18. Now finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction to direction 2 and here take distance all. Go to home, so this will be a through cut and press OK. Now here I'll take appearance, you can take any color, I'll take here orange color, okay. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial for beginners to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.